Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to share with you another best Faucetpay trick you can use to make much more digibyte. Right now I have maybe 20 by 92 digibyte in my wallet, I guess. Right now I show you how you can increase it, and if you want to change to another cryptocurrency you can change it, but I didn't recommend you. You have the best and right cryptocurrency. You have more than you use that one. Okay, I choose digibyte. I go to automatically and I came down in here is type 150 and rolling this much rolling, and I just increased a little bit higher, so 10,000, and increase a bit after every time I lose 130. Okay, not so much more than 130, and just I click start beating. This is will be start randomly number, and this is the wonderful for you can make much more digibyte with this trick. The digibyte price is right now very low, but does not benefit to you. You use this trick for making digibyte. There's some random things about it. You can be a participate in the contest. Maybe you can win $10 or $50 in this random participated contest, and this is the one of the best. You can spend your time to you can make this much dollars every day. This will be randomly. This is for all of the person available in this world. You they use the faucet pay. Okay, and you can see this is a randomly number. This will be send me some amounts, and just I lose or win. But with this trick you win much more time with losing. Okay, about that I use this trick. You can see in here I go to my beats. In here you can see a lot of time I win, and this is the one of the best way you can win much more time, and this will be multiple your account very faster. And I just stop one time to show you how you can increase it much more. Okay, I just increase the beat little bit. Okay, I just go to 220 or 223. This the get great. Okay, just I click start beating again, and this is the one of the best you can, because this will be a 3 time multiple your amount and give you back, and this will be increase your amount very faster than the first one. Okay, you can see this will be way faster than the first one, and you can use this trick, and you can use the next trick is advance. You can use the advance. Okay, I choose the digibyte, and you can use the advance, and win chance I didn't want to win chance that much, and okay, I want to win chances this much. Limited number. Okay, maximum beats I put this much number, and choose the beat after every lose. Choose the beat maybe uh, to 10. Okay, and the cash out will be okay 150 as cash out. Okay, and this is the randomly amount, and this is very faster than the first one, you can see. And you can use this trick to make me your amount, and you can see the amount you lose or you win. And this little bit benefit, but I didn't use this trick too. I used the first trick. You can use it the normal these, and the normal these is quite simple to use. And you can see I didn't receive honey BTC in here because it's not too easy to get. And I have a dash coin, and I use the dash coin to I make much more. I use 158, and I put more numbers, and I increase the bet to 20 or to 10 or to 30. You can choose anyone you want and just click start beating. The buy and dash coin is little bit higher than digibuy. You can use a dash coin, you can use litecoin, you can use bitcoin cash, you can use ethereum if you want, you can use any cryptocurrency you want, but I use the higher amount available in cryptocurrency. If you don't have higher amount cryptocurrency, you can use digibuy, dogecoin, torin with this trick, and you can use Feyorra too, and this will be pay you much more amount. And if you want to make more than $1,000 per day, this is the best trick you can use to make your first $1,000 with this trick, and this is awesome. And the next way you can use it, you can easily change the digibyte. Okay, you can change the digibyte any cryptocurrency you want, like a dogecoin. Its price is a little bit good. For the litecoin, the price is a little bit good. You can change it. I change it to Feyorra because I want to show you little bit higher beating amount with the Feyorra. And just I go to the Feyorra and go to automatically, and I delete the 20 in here, and then I put the amount of the cash out in here. Sorry. Okay, the number it will be this much, and increase the bit. Increase the bit for the maybe to 33, and just click start beating. And this Feyorra is a little bit easier to make much more because the price is very low, and you can easily make it Feyorra, and you can see you can beat much more time you want to beat it. And thanks for watching, guys. This is the best trick that I use for my personally, to sometimes I make much more cryptocurrency, then I sell that out cryptocurrency to other people, so I make little amount to my pocket, to my uh, balance. And thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are everywhere on website, and bye bye for now.